Hi, I'm Pete Stewart and I'm the Health and Safety Officer for Inverarity 121. I want to have a quick chat with you about the health and safety aspects of fireworks. Come this way. So, what to remember is, do not give fireworks to children or dogs, especially dogs. Safety first. Remember, don't light fireworks indoors.
Hey.
And remember folks, most importantly of all, alcohol and fireworks do not mix. Only light them outdoors, and always at arm's length. Again, do not give fireworks to children. That ends the safety video for Fireworks Night at Inverarity 121. Have fun and be safe.